Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the best AODA Windshield Crack Repair Kit, a handy solution designed to fix those annoying chips and cracks in your car's windshield quickly and effectively. If you've ever dealt with a rock chip or a small crack, you know how distracting and potentially dangerous they can be. This kit aims to provide an affordable and convenient way to repair your windshield without the need for expensive professional services. The AODA Windshield Repair Kit comes equipped with 2 bottles of high-quality repair resin. This means you get enough material to tackle multiple repairs or reattempt a fix if needed. Along with the resin, the kit includes 5 cure strips, a razor blade sleeve for smoothing the surface, and a clear instruction manual to guide you through the process step by step. One of the standout features of this kit is its compatibility with various types of windshield damage. Whether you have a small chip, a bullseye crack, a star-shaped crack, a half-moon crescent, or even cracks up to 12 inches long and 1 inch wide, this kit is designed to handle it all. The resin works on double-layered laminated automotive glass, helping to stop cracks from spreading further while improving the appearance of the damage. The repair process is quite user-friendly. By following the instructions, you can complete the repair in about 20 to 30 minutes. The resin cures quickly to form a durable, long-lasting bond that protects your windshield from further damage. This quick curing time means you don't have to wait long before getting back on the road, which is perfect for busy schedules. Another benefit is that the nano glass repair fluid provides strong protection for your windshield regardless of the weather. Whether it's rainy or sunny, the repair will hold up and keep your glass safer for the long term. This means you won't have to worry about repeated maintenance or your windshield cracking again after a short time. The kit is compact and lightweight, making it easy to store in your car's glove compartment or emergency kit. This accessibility means you can be prepared for unexpected damage whenever and wherever it happens. Plus, having 2 bottles of resin included gives you peace of mind knowing you have enough material to handle more than one repair. To summarize, the AODA Windshield Repair Kit is an efficient and comprehensive solution for small to medium-sized windshield damage. Its easy-to-follow instructions, quick curing time, and durable repair make it a great tool for anyone looking to maintain the beauty and safety of their vehicle's windshield without breaking the bank. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you're interested in keeping your windshield in top shape, the AODA kit might just be the perfect addition to your car care routine. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more honest product reviews. See you in the next video.